Welcome to our Fast Facts videos, where we demonstrate many of the advanced technologies that are shared across the Kia model range. Parking is easier thanks to the available Around View monitor, providing a virtual 360-degree view of your surroundings. The system works with 4 cameras, located at the front, rear, left and right side. To activate the Around View monitor, the ignition must be on and the gear shift must be in neutral, drive or in reverse position. The system changes views depending on what gear you're in and what mode you've selected. For example, when you shift into neutral or drive, the front view is activated. In this mode, you can select from 4 different views using the touchscreen. Front plus Around View monitor display, front display, front plus left side display, front plus right side display. When you shift into reverse, the Around View monitor is automatically activated. As before, in this mode you can select from 4 different views. If you shift from reverse into parking position, the Around View monitor operation stops. The Around View monitor system uses the parking sensors to emit proximity warnings. These warnings are displayed on the touchscreen and in the LCD display. You can change the Around View monitor settings in the touchscreen display. You can choose if you want to display the proximity warnings or not. The changes will be saved upon closing the settings. Please note, after turning off the proximity warnings, the audible warning is still active. You can also determine the initial front and rear views in general. To manually turn the Around View monitor system on, press the button. To turn the system off, press the button again. The system has a few operating conditions you'll need to be familiar with. While the front Around View monitor is running, the system will turn off automatically as soon as a speed of 20 km/h is reached. When shifting into reverse, the Around View monitor system automatically activates itself, even if the Around View monitor button is off. The Around View monitor system also warns you if a folded outside mirror, open door, or open trunk is preventing it from operating properly. The Around View monitor system can benefit you greatly, but it must always be combined with smart driving practices. For complete operating information and safety warnings, please refer to the owner's manual. I'll be seeing you again in another one of our Kia Fast Facts. Bye-bye.